Hey everyone! Today I'll show you exactly how to customize VS Code's theme and appearance in just a couple of minutes. The interface is nearly identical on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so this works across all platforms. First, let's change your color theme. Press Ctrl K, then Ctrl T on Windows or Linux on Mac, that's Command K, then Command T. The color theme picker drops down in the center of your screen showing a list of available themes. Now use your up and down arrow keys to navigate through the list. Notice the editor background and sidebar colors change in real time as you move through each theme, giving you a live preview. Once you find one you like, just press enter. The picker closes and your new theme stays applied. If you want more themes beyond what's built in, click the extensions icon in the activity bar. That's the vertical bar on the far left. It looks like 4 squares with one separated. The extensions panel opens on the left side. In the search box at the top, type theme, and you'll see hundreds of options. Click on any theme that catches your eye. Popular ones include One Dark Pro, Dracula Official, and Night Owl. Once you're on the theme's detail page, click the blue install button. It'll change to installing, then switch to either a gear icon or an uninstall button once it's done. Now go back to your color theme picker, Ctrl K, Ctrl T again, and you'll see your newly installed theme in the list. Arrow down to it and press enter to apply it. Next, let's change your file icon theme. These are the little icons next to file names in the Explorer sidebar. Press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows and Linux, or Command-Shift-P on Mac to open the command palette. Type Preferences, File Icon Theme, and select it. The file icon theme picker appears. Use your arrow keys to scroll through the available icon themes. Watch the file icons in your Explorer sidebar update in real time as you navigate. Press enter on the one you want and the picker closes. If you want more icon theme options, head back to extensions, search for icon theme, and install options like material icon theme or VS Code icons. Then repeat the file icon theme picker step to apply them. Your theme selections save automatically and stick around every time you open VS Code. The keyboard shortcuts are the fastest way to switch themes. Once you've got a few installed, you can preview and swap between them in seconds. If you ever want to go back to the defaults, just open the color theme picker and select one of the built-in themes. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.